welcome to the Barbados Lottery's Super Lotto, the biggest lottery in the Caribbean. And now, on to today's Super Lotto draw.
The Super Lotto jackpot was won in Barbados. The winner of draw number 376 on May 3rd, 2013 is now 7.3 million Barbados dollars richer. Congratulations to our big jackpot winner.
The first number is 33. The second number is 15. The third number is 26. The fourth number is 22. And the fifth number is 7, all by itself. Now on to the exciting Super Ball draw for your big chance to become a super millionaire. The Super Ball number is 2, all by itself. Recapping those numbers for you: 33, 15, 26, 22, 7, and the Super Ball number is 2. Congratulations to all our Super Lotto winners. Join us this Tuesday at 10 p.m. for another Super Lotto show. Good night and good luck.